Good day. I am John Harold Tabuzo, a geologist working as a science research specialist at PHIVOLCS, and I will discuss to you the GeoRiskPH integrated platform and the GeoMapper PH. This lecture aims to give you a background about the GeoRisk integrated platform and to familiarize yourself to its functions. Let's begin with the GeoRiskPH integrated platform, also called GRIP. The GeoRiskPH initiative has developed web applications such as the Hazard Hunter PH for multi-hazard assessment, GeoAnalytics PH for risk analysis, visualization and analytics, and GeoMapper PH for data collection in support to building the National Exposure Database of the Philippines. Because of these applications, the team recognized the need to create an integrated platform that stakeholders can use to easily access the different web applications developed by the team. In order to provide the users an easier access to all GeoRiskPH platforms developed and maintained by the GeoRiskPH team, the GeoRisk Integrated Platform, or GRIP, was developed. The GRIP served as the main portal to obtain access to different applications and contribute to the National Exposure Database and other GeoRiskPH databases. A catalog of all available systems was provided through the GeoRiskPH Integrated Platform, or GRIP. It also serves as the registration interface for qualified stakeholders to obtain access to contribute to the National Exposure Database and other GeoRiskPH databases. Advanced features of Hazard Hunter PH and GeoAnalytics PH are exclusively available for registered users. Once your account is verified, you can now log in to the GeoRiskPH integrated platform. After logging in, you will have access to your GRIP dashboard showing the applications available for the users. This includes the Report a Disaster form and dashboard, the Tsunami Coping Capacity Survey and its dashboard, if your LGU is located in coastal area, and your GeoMapper PH application and dashboard. So before your database managers start creating your accounts, I will first discuss the role and functions of a database manager. The role of a database manager is to supervise surveyors and ensure the quality of the collected information using the GeoMapper PH application. Duties of a database manager is to create the GRIP account of surveyors of the respective local government units and national government agencies, deactivate accounts of users who should no longer have access to the data, and upload baseline data and coordinate additional layers needed for data collection. As database managers, you have the capability to add members into your group and assign their roles. However, approval from the GeoRiskPH admin is still needed before they can verify and activate their GRIP accounts. To add member, just click on the Add Member on the upper right portion of your screen. Input the necessary information such as surname, first name, personal email address, position, and the designated role of the user. After you input all the information, click Save. Database managers also have the ability to deactivate the account of their members. To do this, click on the Deactivate button found under the Action column. The status of the account will be reflected on the Members page, and members whose accounts were not deactivated will be tagged as not active and will be restricted from accessing the GeoMapper PH application. User accounts who are still pending for approval or disapproved can be seen in the Disapproved or Pending tab in the user's dashboard. Database managers may also upload data through their GRIP accounts. On the left panel, under the Contents tab, select Data Upload. Data to be uploaded in GRIP may be of any file format. The database manager can also set the level of access to those data. Private data will only be available to the approved users of the group, while public data will be made available for viewing in the Hazard Hunter PH or GeoAnalytics PH. There are different types of GeoRiskPH users. First is the public users, where no user credential is required and can only access some of the GeoRiskPH platform such as Hazard Hunter PH, GeoAnalytics PH with limited features. Second is the personal account that has access to advanced Hazard Hunter PH and GeoAnalytics PH platforms and some of the GeoRiskPH dashboards. Third is the GeoMapper PH database manager. This user is responsible in managing accounts under his or her organization or group. It can use the data upload function and can contribute data through the GeoMapper PH web application and dashboard. The creation of a GeoRiskPH user account is vital for GeoMapper PH. For GeoMapper PH Database Manager, it increases efficiency in managing data and members for the development of the National Exposure Database and access to LGU web applications. For GeoMapper PH members, it provides user dashboards to easily access GeoMapper PH web applications and monitor progress of data input. For all type of users, it enables access to advanced features of Hazard Hunter PH and GeoAnalytics PH. It ensures a copy of assessment in the system as sessions are recorded. And now we move on to GeoMapper PH. This is the platform being used by our partner agencies and LGUs to build their exposure databases. GeoMapper PH is a platform to collect, analyze, access, and visualize data in the GeoRiskPH system. Unlike Hazard Hunter PH and GeoAnalytics PH, the GeoMapper PH is for use by local government units and national government agencies. Only those with user credentials are able to use the application and access the data. This ensures data security and accountability. This is given without any cost for free to local government units and national government agencies. GeoMapper may be used in your laptop or desktop as a web application, and in your mobile devices such as smartphones or tablets as a mobile application. The advantage of using GeoMapper PH versus your desktop GIS application is that it's a multi-user platform. Several users can access and edit data simultaneously. All updates are reflected real-time into the GeoRiskPH database. The features created and edited by users are tracked by the application. Since many people could edit the data simultaneously, this will enable us to work easier together and complete or enhance our exposure database faster and easier. You can access the application anytime, anywhere, and you don't have to be in the office to use the application and access your data. Whether you're in the office, at home, or doing fieldwork, you can access the maps and data in your GeoMapper PH application. As mentioned, GeoMapper PH also functions as a visualization tool in the form of dashboards. The data inputs from the exposure data mapper can be connected to a dashboard to visualize the data, updates, and see the data summary. Digitizing features is simple. For buildings, you just need to click or tap its corners to create a polygon that is automatically synchronized to the GeoRiskPH database system. Drop-down options are also available for easy input of information and to avoid typographic errors. Here's an example of the GeoMapper application for Legazpi City, showing the building footprints overlaid with the tsunami hazard. Another example is the GeoMapper PH of Manila City. They are collecting building exposure data, geotagging evacuation centers, and other requested layers such as emergency and medical reports, fire incidents, and flood reports. Collected information using the GeoMapper PH application are visualized in their operation dashboard to aid in decision-making and planning. The last example is the GeoMapper PH of San Jose Antique and its dashboard. In summary, the GeoRiskPH integrated platform aims to ease the user's access to the different GeoRiskPH applications, support the development of National Exposure Database, mainstream DRRRMC in decision-making using information stored into the GeoRiskPH database by providing a platform for users to collect and visualize information. All these platforms are paid by your taxes and ready to be used for free. So I hope that these platforms could help in developing your plans and achieve your goal to be more informed and resilient against natural hazards. We look forward to working together with you. Thank you.